Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Learn English Together. Today, you'll learn useful English through a simple and natural story. We'll follow two friends as they stay at a hotel. You'll hear how to check in, ask for help, order food, and check out. Every conversation is spoken slowly and clearly, so you can listen comfortably and understand more. Before we begin, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Today's question is, who helped Alex solve the problem?
If you find it, write your answer in the comments in English. Even one short sentence is excellent practice. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Here we are. We finally made it.
That was a longer drive than I expected.
At least we're here now.
The hotel looks even better than the pictures.
I think we made a good choice.
I hope our room has a nice view.
We'll find out soon.
Do you have the reservation email?
Yes. Wait a second.
What's wrong?
My phone battery is almost dead.
Seriously?
It's only 1%.
Then let's check in before it turns off.
Good idea. I don't want any problems.
Come on. The front desk is right inside.
Okay, let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Hi. We'd like to check in. Of course. May I have your name, please?
It's Alex Carter. I made the reservation online.
Thank you. Let me look it up. I found it. You're staying for one night, correct?
That's right.
May I see your passports? Here you go. Thank you.
My phone just turned off.
Good thing we got here in time. Everything is ready. Your room is on the 4th floor. Here are your key cards. Thanks. Breakfast is included and starts at 7.
Perfect.
The elevators are just around the corner.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
We will. Thanks again.
This room is really nice.
Yeah, it's brighter than I expected.
Come and look at this view.
Wow, you can see the whole city.
I could stand here all day.
Let's put our bags down first.
Good idea.
Finally, my shoulders needed that.
Is your phone completely dead?
Yes, I can't even turn it on.
Do you have your charger?
I thought I packed it.
Thought?
I can't find it in my backpack.
Check the front pocket.
Nothing.
Maybe you left it at home?
I hope not.
We can always buy one if we need to.
I'd rather not.
Let's look one more time before we worry.
You're right. It has to be here somewhere.
I checked my bag.
Did you find one?
No, I only packed my camera charger.
I can't believe I forgot mine.
Don't worry. It's not a big problem.
I need my phone for tomorrow.
Let's call the front desk.
They might have a spare charger.
It's worth asking.
Yeah, I'll use the room phone.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I was wondering if you have a phone charger I could borrow.
What kind of phone do you have?
An Android phone with a USB-C cable.
Let me check for you. Yes, we have one.
That's great!
We can send it to your room in a few minutes.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. See?
Everything worked out, but my phone is getting low too.
Let's leave it charging while we eat.
Sounds good. I'm getting hungry anyway.
Me too. I saw a restaurant near the entrance.
Do you want to try it?
Sure, it looked pretty nice.
Let's grab our room key.
Got it.
Ready?
Yep, let's go.
Good evening. Welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, please follow me. Here you are.
Thank you.
Can I bring you something to drink first?
I'll have a lemonade.
Just water for me, please.
I'll be back in a moment.
I think we're going to enjoy this place.
Are you ready to order?
Yes.
I think so. I'm thinking about the grilled chicken.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I'll try the salmon.
Excellent choices. Would you like anything on the side?
Fries, please.
I'd like a small salad.
No problem. Would you like any dessert later?
Maybe. We'll decide after dinner.
Of course.
How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes.
That's fine. We're not in a hurry.
I'll bring your meals as soon as they're ready.
Thank you.
Everything looks delicious.
This chicken is really tender.
My salmon is amazing.
I'm glad we came here.
Me too. The food is much better than I expected.
What should we do after dinner?
How about taking a walk?
Around the hotel?
Yes, I noticed a small park across the street.
That sounds relaxing.
We don't have to wake up early tomorrow.
Right. We can take our time.
After the walk, let's check if your phone is fully charged.
I hope it is.
If not, we'll leave it charging overnight.
Good plan.
I'm really enjoying our trip already.
And we've only been here for a few hours.
The air feels nice tonight.
It's much cooler now.
I'm glad we decided to come outside.
Me too. I needed a little walk after dinner.
Look at those lights across the river.
They look beautiful.
Let's take a picture.
My phone is still charging.
Right. I almost forgot.
You can use yours.
Sure. Stand over there.
Like this?
Perfect. Don't move. Yes, it looks great.
Send it to me later.
I will.
Let's head back before it gets too late.
Good idea. Tomorrow will be a busy day.
Let's see if my phone is alive again.
Fingers crossed.
There it is. It's turning on.
Finally!
The battery is already at 30%.
That's enough for tonight.
I also have a few missed messages.
Anything important?
Just my brother asking if we arrived safely.
You should text him back.
I'll do that now.
Don't forget to set an alarm.
Good idea. What time should we get up?
Around 7:30?
That gives us plenty of time for breakfast.
And we can leave by 9.
Sounds like a plan.
I'm excited to explore the city tomorrow.
Me too.
Good night.
Sleep well. See you in the morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Did you sleep well?
I slept like a baby.
Same here. I feel much better today.
Ready for breakfast?
Absolutely. I'm starving.
There are so many choices.
I'll start with some scrambled eggs.
I'm going to get pancakes.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please. I'll get us 2 cups.
Thanks.
What's our plan after breakfast?
I'd like to visit the old town first.
I can't wait to start exploring.
Me neither.
But first, we need to check out of the hotel. Let's eat.
Good morning. We'd like to check out.
Certainly. What room were you staying in?
Room 412.
Thank you. Just a moment while I prepare your bill.
I can't believe the trip is already over.
Time went by so fast.
Did you use anything from the minibar?
No, we didn't.
Your total is ready.
I will pay by card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. May I have your key cards, please?
Here they are.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed your stay.
We really did.
Everyone was so friendly.
We'd love to welcome you again.
Maybe next time.
Goodbye.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you.
How was the story? I hope you enjoyed today's English. Before we finish, let's go back to today's question. Who helped Alex solve the problem? Do you remember the answer? If you do, write it in the comments in English. Even a short answer is great English practice. Thank you for spending time learning with us today. I hope this conversation helped you improve your listening and speaking skills. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English conversations. See you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.